Hey, everyone! Do you like cold noodle dishes? Today, I'll show how to make chilled tantanmen, perfect for summer. Tantanmen is usually made with Chinese noodles, but this recipe uses spaghetti. When cooking spaghetti, adding a certain ingredient makes it a great substitute for Chinese noodles. If you're out of Chinese noodles and don't feel like going to the store, try this trick. What do people in your country eat during the hot summer months? Let me know in the comments. In Japan, popular summer dishes include chilled Chinese noodles, cold soba or udon, and somen noodles. For desserts, chilled watermelon, shaved ice, and ice cream are classics. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. I'll make shiraganegi using the green part of the green onion. Shiraga refers to hair that is white in color. Originally, it's made with the white part of green onions. Well, this isn't white, so it's not exactly shiraganegi, but before slicing, rub the back of the knife to remove the sliminess. It takes an extra step compared to shiraganegi, but because of its beautiful color, I think it's worth using depending on the dish. After slicing, soak them in water. Doing so will give them a crisp texture. Make sure to drain well. Chop coarsely to keep the texture. In the video, I used peanuts, but you can also use your preferred nuts such as cashews. Using lard to sauté the ground meat will result in a richer flavor. Cooking oil works fine too. The video uses ground pork, but ground beef works too. Cook the ground meat until it gets a nice brown color. This browning adds a lot of flavor. Once the ground meat is brown, add garlic and ginger. Overcooking garlic and ginger will cause them to lose their aroma. Break up the clumped ground meat. Once the heat is turned off, add tianmianjiang, sake, and soy sauce. The sake used this time is called Fukuju from Hyogo Prefecture. This sake comes from a long-standing brewery that has been making sake since 1751. Time for sake. Kanpai. With its refreshing flavor, it pairs well with a variety of dishes. Heat again over medium heat to evaporate the alcohol from the sake while seasoning the ground meat. It already looks delicious at this stage, doesn't it? Bring a pot of water to a boil with enough water to completely submerge the eggs. Once the water reaches a boil, turn off the heat and carefully add the eggs at room temperature. Chill the eggs in ice water to complete the onsen tamago. The sauce is simply mixed by combining all the seasonings. In the video, I'm using ingredients for 1 serving. For those who want to make it for 2 servings, please refer to the recipe details provided in the video description. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 liter of water and heat over high heat. Boil spaghetti for 1 serving just like the sauce. Once it reaches a boil, turn off the heat and add baking soda. Be sure to turn off the heat before adding the baking soda, as it may vigorously bubble up if added while heating. Avoid breaking the spaghetti while cooking, as it might upset them. Cook the spaghetti for 1 to 2 minutes longer than the time stated on the package. If bubbles start to form like this, reduce the heat slightly. If one strand feels just slightly soft to the bite, then it's ready. Rinse the spaghetti under running water, rubbing them gently. This will help remove the sliminess from the spaghetti. Once well rinsed, chill the spaghetti in ice water. Mix the chilled spaghetti well with the sauce and plate it. The amount of chili oil is up to your preference. Itadakimasu, perfectly cooked onsen tamago. The rich sesame flavor, the sweet and spicy minced meat with the kick of chili oil, and the noodles coated in the onsen tamago are incredibly delicious. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.